Go.
Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Thai tea popsicle or ไอติมชาไทย Okay, Thai's iced tea is always perfect for summer or anytime you like it, but this is a good, perfect summer treat. So, I think cha Thais is have a lot in Thailand, and I grew up eating, so I really love it. First, I know I talk a lot, but first we're going to start with the 4 cup at the hot boiling water. 4 cup. I know it's hot. Hot. I use 4 cup hot water for this recipe. Okay, for this recipe, for 4 cup of the hot water, I will use the half cup Thai tea. Half cup of Thai tea. You can use any brand that you have, but today I use the this one. I use the Cha Ta Mur. Okay, this is very popular one in Thailand. Alright, and now I'm going to mix the Thai tea. It's very hot, be careful. Yeah, you can touch it, you can mix it. Okay. I'm going to mix the tea and I'm going to let them sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, and now the tea is sit in the hot water for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to pour in the Thai tea filter in this bag. Okay. We have to be careful with hot. Okay. I'm going to pour in the bag. I know I'm spilling a little bit. I see some. You can make this recipe inside the coffee maker or tea maker too, but this I like to do the old way, like this style. Okay, I'm going to put every tea in here in the bag. I like to do this so I can, when a little bit cooling down, I like to squeeze all the tea out from the a tea bag or the tea filter. So if you ever go to Thailand and you see that when you order Thai tea in Thailand, sometimes they have a big pot and they have the filter like this, and they like to spin and they will put the tea in the cup by the bag. But for me, I like to wait and cool down a little bit, and then I spin, and then I like to squeeze all the tea out from the bag. But it's gonna be a little bit hot. Yeah, a little bit hot, but mommy. Okay, after now I squeeze all the tea out. Okay, now we're going to make a sweet. So. Okay, and next I'm going to add a half a cup of the sugar, just a regular white sugar. Half a cup. Let me open. Okay. Half cup sugar.
That's a lot.
Yes.
Why you put a lot, mommy?
Okay, and next I'm going to have the half a cup the sugar, just a regular white sugar, half a cup. Okay, and I'm going to give them a mix. Here, you want to help mommy mix? Okay, I'm gonna mix the sugar. Make sure all the sugar dissolve. You can mix, hold this, and then mix. Hold this. Okay, and then mix. Yes, you can mix. Okay, and then. Okay, and next I'm going to add half a cup the condensed milk. Yeah. Okay, now I have a half a cup the condensed milk. It take a little bit of time because this how we like to poke the can in Thailand. 2 holes very small, and then take a time to. Okay, now I'm going to pour half a cup the condensed milk in here, and they will make a very thick and creamy, very creamy and sweet for our popsicle and for the Thai tea. Okay, for the sweetness, you can, if you like more sweet, you can add more, or you like less sweet, you can add less for the sweetness. Okay, now I have a half a cup of the condensed milk. Okay, next I'm going to add the 1 cup the evaporated milk. Sometimes I like to use the half and half. If I have half and half, you can use half and half or evaporated milk. But in Thailand, we usually use the evaporated milk. I put the
Why is almonds now?
yeah. Change the color now because we put some milk. We put the 1 cup the
Yes, it's
evaporated
very
milk.
good.
Okay. Or half and half if you have it.
That's
Whatever one you have.
it.
Now we mix. Sweet. Okay, so I'm going to give them the taste. So make sure I like how they're sweet. Okay. They're good, but I think I will want to put a little more the condensed milk. Okay, now I have another 1/4 cup the condensed milk I'm going to add on.
Wow.
Okay, so another 1/4 cup of the condensed milk. For the sweet, sometimes it's up to you, and sometimes when I make it, maybe I put a little more water or little thing is change the taste a little bit. So I want to make sure the taste is whatever I like. So now I think they should be good. Now we can pour into the popsicle mold. Okay, now it's time to pour the Thai tea in the popsicle mold. Okay, so now I think this is a fun project for the kid to help. So she like to pour into the mold. Okay, and we're going to start to pouring into the mold. We have a lot of popsicle mold to show you later. Okay. Okay, after we pour all the 8 popsicle total. Okay, of course I make a little mess over here, making a mess over here, but I'm going to heat it up a little bit. And now we're going to put the popsicle stick. Okay, not like you usually do, and I'm going to put the popsicle stick all of them. Okay. And the Thai tea, they're really creamy, but they're not thick. So your popsicle stick, it only like to come up like this little bit. I like to put like the towels on top to hold them down. Okay, and then I'm going to wait when they cool down. So I'm going to put in the freezer for at least 8 hours or over the night. Okay, of course I have one I already made. Okay, this is a popsicle that I made yesterday. Let's open this together. What's going to look like? Okay, here, look, a little mess on the top. Okay, and now I already have the popsicle that I'm making yesterday. Now I'm going to start to pour them out. Okay. Creamy. Oh, I broken a little bit on the first one. I hope next one I not broke them. Okay. Oh, this one look perfect. Perfect. Oh, look perfect. Okay. After I poured out the popsicle, you have to do a little bit fast, otherwise that's why I cannot show you all. So I put it back in the freezer for now, but it tastes really good. And then I still have extra Thai tea left. You can just drink it like a normal Thai iced tea that you like, or if you have a different popsicle mold or popsicle bag. This one I really like them when you pour it in the bag and just freeze them and then eat that like a popsicle, like a bag. So another popsicle mold that you can do it really easy. You can order this online. They have it like a popsicle mold bag and the bag. You just pour them. Okay, you don't have to pour them full because they when you sip it and then you lay it down, they're gonna be the whole popsicle. And then also I really want to talk about the popsicle mold a little bit. For this one I really like them too. I still have the popsicle inside the freezer that I make it. For this one you can reuse the stick and everything, and you can do one by one. So this one I really like them. This is not the review the product, but I want to tell you by my experience that I or we make the popsicle for the kid or for myself. And this one I really like too because it's really easy and you just cut it and eat it easy. This one that I put it in earlier, this one little bit difficult to use, little bit difficult to remove because they're hard plastic, and also you cannot put inside the dishwasher. It will mess up all the thing I learned in the hard way. So this one you have to wash it by hand. But the green one that I used earlier, that's a silicone mold. That's one I love them. Easy for you to pull it out because they soft, so you can push or pass it out, and you can wash it in the dishwasher. So I know this video I show you, and I want to tell you the tip or my experience with all the popsicle mold too. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like this recipe and video. If you like, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.